So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your Google Authenticator application and notifications just aren't showing. So it might be that you are actually being sent these notifications, but they're actually not properly sending for you. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and to make sure you don't have some sort of a random do not disturb mode option enabled or focus modes or anything like that. On your iPhone or Android, swipe down from the top right corner and find that little do not disturb mode little pop up that comes up right here. And all you want to do is make sure that this pop up isn't really enabled. If it's enabled, that's going to be the main problem here. So go through, make sure this is not enabled, and that is going to go through and allow you to still get these notifications. Now, if that's not working, the next thing you want to do is to make your way over to your settings application. So hop into settings, find that little notifications toggle. You should be able to find a little toggle somewhere that says notifications like this. And all you're going to want to do here is just to make your way over to your Google Authenticator application. So find Google Authenticator, you want to go and just tap on it. And all you're going to want to do here is just make sure that you have this notifications enabled. That is going to be another very basic thing I'd recommend doing here too. That's another very important thing here as well. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you might have to try updating the Authenticator application. So make your way over to Authenticator just like this, and go ahead and update the app. And if that's still not working, you might have to try re-updating or like restarting your phone. Slide a power off your phone, see if that ends up working, and that might end up fixing it for you. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.